Welcome back. Okay, are you ready to dive into another juicer showdown? Today we're putting two heavyweights from the Kuvings brand head to head, the REVO830 and the AUTO10. If you've been on the fence about which one of these bad boys should grace your kitchen countertop, you're in the right place. I'm Brett Canaday, aka JuiceFeaster, and we're about to compare, contrast, and get down to the juicy details of these two machines. All right, let's get into it. We'll start with what these two juicers have in common, because trust me, there's a lot. Both the REVO830 and the AUTO10 are powered by the same robust commercial grade 240 watt motor, packing the same punch with identical power and a recommended 45-minute runtime. They both use the same design for the juicing auger and juicing bowl, ensuring that you get the same high quality juice with excellent nutrient and enzyme extraction. And speaking of juice quality, you're getting the same juice yield and pulp levels with either of these two models. Both are slow, cold press masticating style juicers operating at a low RPM to keep oxidation at bay and preserve those valuable nutrients that we're after when we juice. Cleanup is a breeze with both of these juicers too, thanks to the unique Kuvings filter screen cleaning brush that makes washing up super fast and easy. They both come with a juice strainer to catch any extra pulp, and they weigh about the same, though the REVO830 is just a hair taller at 19 inches compared to the AUTO10's 18 inches. You'll also find the same incredible 15-year warranty on both the motor and the parts, which is a big thumbs up for the durability on both of these juicers. And when it comes to versatility, both juicers include juicing and smoothie screens, along with a sorbet attachment to make frozen fruit sorbets or an ice cream. If you're into citrus, both offer an upgrade option for a citrus attachment as well. Both can obviously make citrus juice without the citrus attachment, but if you make a lot of citrus juice like me, I find it's much faster to use the attachment. With the attachment, all you have to do is cut in half and juice away, as opposed to individually peeling each citrus piece. So if you're looking for reliability, power, durability, and ease of cleaning, you're definitely covered with either one of these juicers. Now let's talk about where these two juicers diverge. The biggest difference between the AUTO10 and the REVO830 is in their produce feeding options. The AUTO10 is equipped with a massive 100-ounce batching hopper, and this hopper is a game changer if you like to load up all your ingredients at once, close the lid, and just walk away. It chops, feeds, and juices all on its own while you multitask, whether that's checking your emails, sending a text, prepping more ingredients, or even sneaking in some sit-ups. On the flip side, the REVO830 comes with dual feed chutes, a 3.5-inch flip top chute and a 1.75-inch wide vertical cut chute. This setup also lets you feed in whole ingredients like apples, beets, or citrus through the wide chute, and long items like carrots, celery, or cucumbers through the tall vertical cut chute. However, with the REVO830, you have to feed ingredients in one at a time. So while you don't need to chop much, you do need to add ingredients piece by piece, which means no multitasking like with the AUTO10. Now, one thing to note with the AUTO10 is that while you can throw whole fruits and veggies into the hopper, you might still need to chop items like carrots, celery, or cucumbers into halves or thirds to fit them in. The REVO830, on the other hand, lets you skip this step, especially with those longer veggies. The only other significant difference is in the pulp outlet chute design. AUTO10 has an upgraded easy access hinge style that makes cleaning a breeze, while the REVO830 sticks with the older non-hinge design, which can be a bit more tedious to clean. In summary, both juicers bring something unique to the table, but these differences might sway your decision depending upon which style you like the best. Personally, after using and testing both of these juicers extensively, I find myself leaning towards the AUTO10. Don't get me wrong, both are top tier, fast and convenient juicers that make juicing a joy. When the juicing is this easy, you're much more likely to stay consistent, and that's a win-win in my book. But for me, the multitasking convenience that the batching hopper on the AUTO10 offers is just too good to pass up. Add to that the easy cleaning pulp outlet chute, and the AUTO10 takes the crown in my opinion. Okay, that's my take, the JuiceFeaster opinion, but what do you think? Do you prefer the tall vertical cut chute on the REVO830 or the hands-off multitasking convenience of the AUTO10? Or maybe you own one of these juicers already and have thoughts on which one you like the best. Drop a comment below and let me know. If you're ready to check out either of these juicers for yourself, hit the link in the description box below. Any sales or discount codes I have will be down there too, so definitely make sure to take advantage of those. That's all for now. As always, I appreciate you tuning in, and until we chat again, make lots of juice, drink it all, and stay juicy.